Hi everyone, I'm back. Now I'm just going to share with you how to make the star flower. I don't think we've done this one for a while. And you can make it from organza, silk, cotton, whatever you want to make it from. This is from like a polyester that I'm doing at the moment. Very easy to do, but they're great flowers to put anywhere that you want a gap filling. So I'm just going to cut the backing for it. A little circle, you don't need them too big. Okay. Right. Oh. Now what you need to do is you cut your circles. This is a 2.5 inch square. It's not a square at all, is it? Bloody circle. 2.5 inches wide, 2.5. I'm going to choose the side, right side. You fold it in half. And then you fold it into quarters. So half and half again. Take your needle and thread. I always start mine off to keep the knot away from everything. Pop that in there like that. Do a tacking stitch. I'd do 2 just for the safety. And then you go around the edge 1/2 centimetre in. These are so easy to make. Like that. Pull your threads in. And you don't have to, you know, take it off the thread or anything like that. You just stay on the thread that you've got. And then you can pull that like that. And we've done 1 petal. And go straight on to do the next one. Like that. This time you don't need to tack it, just go straight in to do like a running stitch along the curved edge. Sorry, I hope I'm in view. Really easy star flower to make, these are. Take your next one, make sure your fabrics aren't double, like that. Again, straight in. Now don't forget, needles are sharp, so don't go stabbing yourself. I do it all the time though, I must admit. Like that. So that's another one. You're going to have them all the same. I did that with a 5. I'm going to try it with a 6 and see what we end up with. See what the difference is. Can't even get the words out today. Now, if you haven't been to the shop, please visit the shop. We have some awesome things for sale. There's over 650 items at the moment. The bead kits are amazing. You're getting so much for your money. Look, I've just done it now. I've just stabbed myself. That's going to bleed now, and I'm using white fabric. You will not get the quantity anywhere else. You won't, because I buy it wholesale, or I've bought it from people who are selling up. I can pass them bargains on to you. So, and I do. Everybody knows who knows me. I do pass the bargains on. If that bleeds, we're going to have a little, I'm going to have to do red spot. Hoping it doesn't. Yeah, because I've jam-packed the bead bags, so you're getting plenty for your money. You know, sometimes when you're buying beads, you get 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 of something. You very rarely get a bag full, you know, for the price. And I'm doing them, bagfuls. They're all new beads. They've never been used. And I got that. When I get a bargain, I pass that bargain on to you lot. Because obviously, I want you to come back. Don't I? Of course. So I do as many bargains as I can. Don't forget to join in February. So I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. My head's racing like hell. Right, I've got the 6 on. It's the April's, you spend £10. If you spend £10 in my shop in April, and then your name goes in the pot, that's without shipping, and your name goes in the pot, one winner will get their £10 refunded, but not the shipping. If you spend £20 in the shop, one winner will get £20 refunded back into their account. Your names will be listed here so everybody knows who it is. And obviously, if you are a member, just pull it tight. If you are a member, look, a little speck of blood there. Oh, God. Of my channel, it only costs you $2.99 a month to become a member. And that is, you don't have to be a member to watch the free videos. There's over 5,000. I think it's about 550,000 videos to watch freely. And the reason for becoming a member is so that, look, got a little bit of blood there, is so that you can get extra videos. That's not bad, that, actually. I prefer the 5, I think, but we'll just see what this looks like. So I might put that 5 onto here. But that's how you do them, and then just glue your centres in. I think... No, I don't like that. No, I'm going to keep it as 6 petal. But you can put as many petals in as you want. Generally, it's 5 or 6. Yeah. Yeah, so you don't have to be a member to watch the free videos. But the membership is to help me to support my work and what I do, and to be able to keep bringing you the free videos. So that's what that's about. Or if you don't want to become a member at $2.99 a month, you can just click on the buy me a coffee and do it that way. You know, and that's again supporting me and the work I do, which is what you lot are all sat watching for free. So there's another flower. I'm going to put the back of that on. Just pop that on there like that. There we go. We can split them out, widen them up a little bit. Your flowers can be whatever you want them to be. Hang on a minute, because I was just... I quite like that. You know what we did before? Quite like that. I don't know. I'm going to try it. Why not? In for a penny, in for a pound. There we go. But yeah, like I say, please do, if you can, join the channel, and you're getting extra free videos. Nobody else will get them, only members. And you'll get automatic entry into all competitions. There, I like that. Yeah, that's nice. That's 2 new ones, isn't it? So I've shown you how to do this one. Now, the way to do that one is you take small circles. So I'm just going to see if I can get 4 little circles out of this. It's going to be a bit of a job, but I'm going to try. See, like that. Right. See, and you need lots of them. And then you take your circle, like that. And you get your flamethrower, and you curl the edges up like that. So you got a little cup like that. Sometimes I have a mind to go their own way, but it doesn't matter. So you've got them just like that. I'll go that way then. They go their own way. We just want little ones. Like that. Right, and then what you do is you get your little bit of felt. Let me just get I'll use a bit of black because I haven't got any white available at the moment. I need to cut some more, I think. Oh. Okay, let's have a look at this. So we'll cut this into a circle. And just by doing that, if you want to do it over a flame, an open flame like a candle, I find sometimes that's easy and you don't waste as much gas because it's eats gas to this sort of thing. So you take on your little petal and you will go around the edge like that. You just need a little bit of glue, and then when you've done your first row, then you'll go around again and you alternate them in between. See, like that, and then you can keep going. So I might as well just carry on and do this one. Well, I'll do some of it, just to half of it, to show you what I mean. So we've already got that. Okie dokie. God, it's decided to go its own way. Like I say, they don't have to be perfect. We're not after perfection. Okay. And I'm just going to pop a little bit of glue on there, and we put that there. And then you will just continue to go round and round. See, like that. That would be there. Bringing it in slightly, that's it. So you can do it like that then. But you go round and round. Like that. And then that will glue into there. Do you see? And then you can curl them in a little bit more if you want. But like I say, go round and round and round, smaller circle each time until you get to the centre, and you'll end up with something like that. That is organza. That's like a polyester. But that's how you do them. So I hope that's helped you. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Drop by the shop, pick up a few bargains. Some of the beads, the pre-packed ones, they'll be going up in price because they're on sale at the moment. They'll go back to normal price at the end of the month. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.